Managing DevOps in higher regulation industries. Strict compliance requirements, standards like HIPAA, GDPR, and PCI DSS set strict rules for data protection and security. They also require audits. DevOps teams must integrate these into their workflows. Risk management. The cost of failure is exceptionally high in these industries. A software bug in aerospace could endanger lives. A breach in finance could lead to massive fines. Best practices for DevOps in higher regulation industries. Embed compliance into the DevOps workflow. Compliance should not be treated as an afterthought. Instead, it must be embedded in every stage of the software development life cycle, SDLC. This approach is often referred to as compliance as code. Adopt a shift-left security strategy. In higher regulation industries, security is paramount. A shift-left strategy stresses adding security in the SDLC early, not at the end. This involves conducting static and dynamic code analysis during development. Leverage infrastructure as code, IAC. Infrastructure as code simplifies managing complex environments. It does this by defining infrastructure configurations in code. This ensures that environments are consistent, auditable, and reproducible. In higher regulation industries, IAC offers implement robust logging and monitoring. High regulation industries demand extensive logging and monitoring for both operational efficiency and compliance. Logs should capture user activities and access patterns. Adopt DevSecOps. DevSecOps integrates security into DevOps. It ensures the entire pipeline, from development to deployment, is secure. Key components of DevSecOps include continuous vulnerability scanning, choosing the right tools for regulated DevOps C/CD tools, Jenkins, GitLab CI, and CircleC can run compliance and security checks at every stage. Container orchestration. Kubernetes and OpenShift provide secure container management. Access management. Tools like HashiCorp Vault and AWS IAM enforce strict access controls. Compliance automation. Chef Inspect and Puppet compliance enforcement help ensure regulatory adherence. Incident management. PagerDuty and ServiceNow facilitate rapid incident resolution and reporting. Case study: DevOps in healthcare. Healthcare is one of the most regulated industries. Laws like HIPAA require strict data privacy and security. Let's explore how a hypothetical healthcare organization successfully implemented DevOps. Challenge: the organization had to speed up the delivery of a telemedicine platform. It also had to ensure HIPAA compliance. In conclusion, managing DevOps in higher regulation industries requires balancing agility with compliance. By embedding compliance into workflows and adopting security-first practices, organizations can benefit from DevOps.